Hey, what's up everybody? Just a real quick video today on a wheel cleaning video. So this is a Toyota Supra, the wheels that I'm going to be cleaning here. They're really not in bad shape at all, but I am preparing this vehicle for ceramic coating, and I was just wanting to walk you through how I clean the vehicle. But before we do the walkthrough, I just want to say thank you guys for checking out my page, checking out my channel, the videos. I greatly appreciate it. Hey, we are at 30 subscribers and growing, so that's what's up. Please, like this video, subscribe to the channel. You can even share it with your friends. Get our views up. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and I know I'm going to make it there. Just posting videos and staying consistent. And so I just wanted to stop and say thank you guys. The more views and the more likes that I get, I would love to continue to give you these videos the best that I can. I'm trying my best to become better at editing videos and things like that, but this channel is going to be all about detailing things like products I use and how to, and just my perspective. And so enough of that, let's get to the video. So here I am spraying my Hyper Clean Fuego. This stuff here, man, is just it's a great product to clean off brake dust, that embedded contaminants. It helps clean easy, and it cleans to the, as you can see, it cleans really well. It will grab and not run as much, and so that's what I really like about Fuego. And also on these products, I am going to leave a description or leave a link in the descriptions. That way you can go and purchase these products as well. So this is Fuego. This is my first step before I start cleaning the tires, and then I am going to spray a tire and rubber cleaner on the, this is just like a standard APC that I got, and then next I am going to foam this tire down just to give me some lubricity as I'm cleaning this wheel. And what I'm using in here is my Superior Products Dark Fury. So I'm using this. I ran out of Hyper Clean TRX. Typically that's my duo, Hyper Clean Fuego and Hyper Clean TRX. I ran out of it, so here I'm using Dark Fury. It works great. As long as you're diluting your products to the manufacturer's specs, then you're not going to have any issues. So as you can see here, I'm lightly scrubbing on the wheel. That really is all it takes on these wheels, because they are fairly maintained, but they do get driven. This car does get driven hard, and as you can see, it is pulling that brake dust. It's breaking it down very nicely. I am about to start on the spokes, what I call the detailed areas. Now I'm fairly quick when it comes to detailing wheels. I've got my system down, and this is just what I use, and they come out great. The only thing you're not going to see me do on these wheels, and that's what I do last, is what I call my touch-up spray, putting some protection. I always put a sealant, car sealant, paint sealant, wheel sealant, whatever you want to call it. It all works the same. I typically put that on there once I am done, but you're not going to see it on this video because I am prepping the whole vehicle for ceramic coating. Now I'm getting behind the spoke. This is where, to me, detailing a tire, and it's very simple. As you can see, I'm not spending a lot of time. Like, I'm quickly hitting these areas, and again, I have cleaned these tires before, and so they're just not super bad. And here we go, cleaning the rubber, and this is my final rinse. So this is a quick video, guys. Thank you for watching it. I hope you have a great day. Again, please like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.